Hey guys, how's it going? In today's video we're just gonna do, I don't know, I guess a simple market update, because stock market update 17, because there's not much to talk about. So let's begin. I guess this is sponsored by my stock market mastery course. Make sure to enable email before signing up. The course is $60 per month and $600 per year. You get a small discount with a yearly plan. Next up, I'm going to promote this guy. He is he's like the Monk Way 2. He makes videos very similar to the Monk Way, except and the voice sounds the same too. I call him the Monk Way 2, but he should just name Monk Way 2 instead of Xerox Investing. Just kidding. Anyways, let's check out one of his videos. Do like a couple minute preview. It's pretty good. It looks like the Monk Way video. So check out his channel if you want.
Hello everyone, this is X Ratios Investor. Please note that this video is for educational purpose, and please still do your own research. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. What's next for cannabis stock market after the legalization day? I have spent hours after hours to evaluate the current situation and absorb everything that had happened since then. Which brings me to the biggest talking points I want to talk about. I have seen many people asking me what's next, especially when we have people who are new to this market or looking to invest more into their position. I hope this video will provide you the answers you were looking for before diving deeper into the cannabis industry. Also, to my new viewers, if you haven't seen my latest video on why top cannabis stock is not a bubble, I gave a thorough research and insight that pretty much happened as I predicted in the short term and long term on the October 17th and beyond in the future on marijuana stocks. Now, let's move to the main talking point about Aurora Cannabis and Afria. You might be wondering what's next for Aurora and Afria, with the long-awaited news we have been anticipating? As we all know that Aurora Cannabis has officially been approved and will be listed on the New York Stock Exchange, trading on the October 23rd, under the ticker symbol ACB. We also have Aphria, filing for the Form 40F, intending to be listed on the New York Stock Exchange as well, and I expect Aphria to be listed by the end of October. While I am disappointed that Aurora Cannabis did not begin trading on the New York Stock Exchange at the legalization day itself, I still believe that it's an extremely important direction for Aurora and Afria. You all might wonder how the listing can help Aurora and Afria, but we first need to understand the importance of New York Stock Exchange listing. The New York Stock Exchange allows more institutional investor to buy shares into Aurora and Afria, joining an established group of brands with improved access and exposure to engaged worldwide institutional investor audience. With Canopy Growth, Tilray and Cronos making their US listing debut way back this year. One thing I have observed is that the US listing did not boost the Canopy Growth and Cronos stock remarkably on their debut. For example,
Wait, that's it. I want to promote his channel, so check it out. I only wanted to play 2 minutes of the video, so if you want to see more of his videos, they're like, you know, very similar to the Monk Way, yet no exposure. So I'm giving him some exposure. I'll have a link to his channel in the description below. Oh, look! Aurora on the US side has gone up 37 cents. So it looks like a little bit of a green day today. I'd be extremely cautious because it may be green now, but it might head the opposite direction. It's only green now because it's been such a red day in recent months, but it's good that it's green. And this is the Aurora on the New York Stock Exchange, by the way. And this is the Aurora on the Toronto Stock Exchange, which reflects the New York Stock Exchange. And since it's on the Aurora's on the New York Stock Exchange, apparently you can start trading it on Robinhood app. If you can't, please comment below, and I'll do more research into it. But apparently, people were telling me that you can start trading Aurora on the Robinhood app now. Canopy today up 97 cents, 2%. I would understand because yesterday it ended off in a small red. Yesterday Aurora ended off in an 11% decline. That's why it's kind of recovering today. It's just making up the difference from yesterday. Aphria up 2%. Aphria kind of ended off on the green yesterday too, or like a little bit of a red. So that's why it doesn't have a major boost like it did today. Hexo up 5%. Wow, Hexo is on a tear. You know, I just want to remind you guys that I think we're in a bear market right now, so be extreme careful when purchasing these stocks, because you know, I don't think the bear market is over yet. I think this is like a bear trap in my opinion. This green day, just my opinion. We'll see what happens tomorrow and the coming weeks, unless some big news comes out that propels the stocks up further. I think right now it's a bear trap, so be extreme careful, exercise of caution. Just letting you guys know ahead of time. Plus, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is only for pure entertainment purposes. Namaste. Wow, 184. Interesting. I'm up on this position again today. Tomorrow they're closing the bot finance deal, so it's either gonna rise tomorrow or it's gonna plummet tomorrow. I think it's gonna rise tomorrow because, you know, a big injection in cash, but then the stock gets diluted. So I don't know. It's a tough gamble. I have to say, it's a tough gamble. Huge. Is it up huge today? Up, well, it was up huge. Now it's down huge. You know, huge. I like that name. It's such a good name. Huge. SFD Pharma. I mean, I'm hoping there's not a big ass red day for SFD Pharma. That's just my hope, so I can buy back in. Oh, sorry. I'm planning to buy the stock if I ever see like a big ugly red day, just for fun, like a swing trade stock. Wayland down today. Sorry, up today. $50.56. I still think this company is one of the most undervalued company, but at the end of the day, it doesn't matter what I think. It all matters to big money flowing in and out of this stock. MGX Minerals went down 3 cents today. It's funny. There was news on MGX Mineral announced energy solution for the cannabis industry. They announced that they'll be getting into the cannabis industry using their subsidiary Zindex Energy Solution. You guys can read more about this. Was a little bit interesting, but you know, the market didn't take too well to this, and it dropped MGX stock a little bit. I don't know. I don't know. Like, it's the stock market for you. I could have sold out. I could have ran with my money. Now all I have to do is hope this stock does a reversal. That's all I can do, is hope. I don't know if it will. I don't know if it can. But oh well. Village Farms International. If you guys not aware, this is a greenhouse producer. One of my members was talking about it, saying, "Oh, he thinks it's undervalued." I don't know. Maybe, like, if it hits $5, it could be undervalued. You could do a swing trade on it. Yeah, I say about $5. This is my opinion. Still kind of. I mean, it was $7.30. You could buy now and hope it goes up, or it could be a bear trap and goes down further. I mean, if it goes down to like $5, I may pick up some shares for fun. This is a vegetable producer that is converting their greenhouses into a 1 million square feet to grow cannabis. I'm not a big fan of greenhouses, but they already have a vegetable business that grows tomatoes. And they have a lot of square footage currently. So we'll see what happens in the future with this company. I don't think this company is going away anytime soon because they already have a business model. It's growing vegetables. AMD stock in a decline mode today. They're having the earnings report today. If earnings are if they do a grand slam on earnings, I'm not too sure if the U.S. market is down or up, but could be down right now. But if the earnings report is a grand slam, this stock's going up to $27. If the market is bad, if the quarter report is bad, the stock will tank like no tomorrow, like down to 18 bucks. So definitely risky if you were to buy it on earnings. I'm holding on to my stocks. So I'm already taking a big amount of risk. I am bullish on the company. I do believe in the company's future. I don't know if their next quarter report will be good or bad, but I know that in 2019 they'll have a very good earnings. They'll have a very good year in 2019 with all the new products that are coming out. The 7nm GPU, the CPU, Tesla model chips. You know who else is also having an earnings report today? Tesla. At the end of the trading day today, Tesla will have an earnings report. I did a small gamble and I bought up here. Kind of stupid, but I don't know. I was just like, oh, I'm gonna do a little small gamble on Tesla for earnings report because I think the stock's heading to like $350+. So I thought I'd do a little gamble, but right after I bought it, it plummeted. It's kind of funny how life works out sometimes, but yeah, whatever. Let's see what happens. Rolling the dice on Tesla. Honestly, why would Elon Musk push the earnings report a week ahead of time? To the same date as AMD. Maybe they'll be announcing a partnership with AMD using the Tesla chips. I don't know. Maybe. I'm hoping. Crossing my fingers. Right? You know, like Tesla was like, oh, we're working with AMD and we have a solution and they'll be installed in cars starting in November or something. I'm hoping, you know, like you never know. That will push both Tesla and AMD stock to the moon. To the moon. Again, not advice to buy. This is for pure entertainment purposes. Please do your own research and due diligence. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this content, please give me a thumbs up. If you dislike this content, please give me a thumbs down. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.